Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to reset your keyboard settings to default in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if your keyboard is malfunctioning, just basically try to reinstall the driver. So you can right click on the start menu right here, click on Device Manager, wait a bit, and then just go out and find keyboards. Find your keyboard right here, double click, go to drivers. Now go ahead and click on uninstall device, uninstall, and then after that, go ahead and close this one, restart your computer, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now another option, let's say for example, you have an external keyboard, just like what I have in here. I have an RK61, I think. So for most keyboards, all you gotta do is just press these keys, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open up my on-screen keyboard just for you to see. So on your keyboard, try holding the function key, find it, again, find the function key, and then the space bar, okay? Again, function key and space bar, hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll see your keyboard blink, okay? Well, that means it has now been reset to default. Okay, there are some keyboards that you need to hold function and then hold the left control as well as escape. Okay, this is for some keyboards. But if these functions doesn't work, just go out and find your specific keyboard online. Okay, and ask on how to reset it. For example, you have Razer keyboard reset shortcut. Okay, this one right here. You'll be able to see some keys that you need to press. As you can see here for Razer keyboards, hold down escape plus caps lock plus spacebar. All right, and there you have it. That is how you reset keyboard settings to default in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.